Lack of commitment to overcome debt. May dalawang klase daw po ito. Wanting and commitment. Maraming tao ang they want to become financially free. They want to become debt-free. Pero andun lang sila sa wanting. Gusto lang nila. Iba naman yung committed. They have the commitment. Talagang they fight for it. They become resilient. They become focused on eliminating the debt. Okay. Make a decision, have a plan, take action, solve the discipline issue, and put a deadline. Okay. Kasi may mga tao na may pangarap, walang deadline, panaginip lang, yung pangarap lang yun. Kaya kung may deadline ka, bibigyan mo ng panahon na sa darating na September 31, dyan na talaga tatapusin ko o kumbaga i-eliminate ko ang utang ko. That is why I should become disciplined.